in this video, we will go through Replit link related to loops and arrays concept. We will click on this link and it will redirect us to the Replit associated with loops and arrays concept. So basically what happens, right? Over here, you will have some predefined code present from the cryo side. And we will use that predefined code to go ahead with our further description, or we will come to the conclusion using those predefined code. Now this is the code provided to us from cryo side. Once you will click on this fork button and again fork ripple, it will create a local copy for you and you will have edit permission in that code. We can edit that code now and do the modifications accordingly. So over here we have enough edit permissions. So for example, I'm able to add a comment over here and we can click on this run button to execute the program. So after the fork, we were able to execute the program and make some changes in it. So this completes our discussion around the Replit link for loops and arrays concept. Thank you everyone.